Good morning students, myself Kitika Kalra, and today we are going to continue with our second chapter of science, that is components of food. Today we will study about vitamins. Vitamins are the protective food. Vitamins are essential substances required by our body in minute quantities. Minute means very less, but these are very important. These do not produce energy, but they provide us good health. They protect us from various diseases. We get vitamins from milk, eggs, fish, fruits, sprouts, pulses, etc. Vitamins are of different kinds. Mainly, vitamins are of 6 types. You can see here vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. These are 6 types of vitamins. Vitamin B complex is known as such because vitamin B complex consists of several other vitamins like vitamin B1, B2, B3 and so on. Now based on solubility, vitamins are of two types, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are those which are soluble in fat. These dissolve and these get absorbed in our body. Vitamin A, D, E and K. These are fat soluble, and vitamin B and vitamin C, these are water soluble. So these are removed out of our body through urine. So now my dear students, I hope you have understood about the two types of vitamins, that are fat soluble and water soluble. Now let us see some sources of vitamins. These are eggs, fruits, cereals and vegetables. These all are good sources of vitamins. What are functions of vitamins? Vitamin A is required for healthy skin, healthy eyes. Vitamin B is required to release energy from food. Vitamin C is required for healthy gums and teeth. Vitamin D is required to absorb calcium for good bones. Vitamin K is required for clotting of blood. So each and every vitamin is important for our body. Vitamins cannot be synthesized by the human body. Vitamin D is synthesized in our body when we get exposed to sunlight. So all vitamins are important for our body. Now there is an activity in which you can easily check that is vitamin C is present in a fruit sample or not. What you have to do is you have to take a sample of piece of citrus fruit or any fruit in which you want to test the presence of that vitamin, that is vitamin C. What will you do? You will add iodine solution to it. You will take a sample of fruit and you will add iodine solution to it. You will see that the color of the fruit sample changes to light brown. If the color changes to light brown, it means that vitamin C is present in the sample. Okay, now there is one table regarding these vitamins. I will attach this table in your worksheets also, so that you can easily go through this table. Okay, what does this table show? That vitamin A deficiency disease is susceptible to infection, poor vision in dim light, means night blindness, and sources are given. Then vitamin B1, what is the deficiency disease? Loss of appetite, bhook kam lagti hai, and some sources are given. Then vitamin 2, what are the deficiency disease and what are the sources, so on. I think here is one like paresthesia. Paresthesia is a feeling in which you feel very pricking in your legs, कुछ चुभता है जैसे, है ना. So these are the different deficiency diseases which are caused due to different vitamins, and these are different sources of these vitamins. Okay, now next comes the minerals. Minerals are the protective food. They protect us from various diseases. Minerals are essential elements required by our body in small amounts. We need about 21 minerals. Each one is essential for proper growth of our body and also to maintain good health. Now in this table you can see some minerals like calcium, iodine, manganese and phosphorus. Sources are, good source of calcium is milk, iodine, pineapple, spinach, tomatoes. Manganese, nuts, whole grains, vegetables such as spinach, peas. Phosphorus, animal food such as meat, fish. And what are the functions are also given? For formation of bones. Calcium is needed for formation of bones. Iodine is needed for normal growth. Then manganese is needed for normal bone and tendon. These are tendons and ligaments which are present in our body. And phosphorus is needed with calcium. It forms bones and teeth present in all cells. This table I will also attach in your worksheets. Now next mineral is potassium. Potassium is the potassium we can get from carrots, mushrooms, bananas. We get sodium, anything containing salt. It has sodium. Iron from meat, fish, egg yolks, legumes, and these are the functions of different minerals. Like potassium function is formation of protein, sodium muscle contraction, iron it is a part of hemoglobin. Okay, now next let us come to the dietary fiber. It is also known as roughage. Dietary fiber is a fibrous part of our food. In the form of fibers, the food we need is known as roughage. You can see in the figure, this is a roughage part. This is provided mainly by whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fruits and vegetables. The functions of roughage are: roughage helps in regulating digestion in our body. It helps to prevent constipation. It helps to retain water in our body. Each and every individual needs all the nutrients like carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals in different amount according to their age, according to their body weight, and also it depends on the physical activities that an individual is performing. Now next, coming to water. Yes, how can we forget water? Water is also an essential component of our food. In fact, 70% of our body is water. We must drink plenty of water every day to remain healthy. What are the functions of water? It dilutes our blood. It regulates our body temperature. Food is transported in liquid form to the body cells. Now, my dear students, you have learned that all the nutrients are necessary for our body. We should take all the nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, minerals. Even also we should take dietary fiber, and the most important, we should drink good amount of water each and every day. So in the next video we will learn about balanced diet and about some diseases. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.